Today, we're testing the workflow, AI features, free plan, pricing, and the biggest limitation you should know. Scribe is an AI-powered documentation platform that records the process you're performing and automatically turns it into a visual step-by-step guide with screenshots, text, and click instructions. Its AI features can also create SOPs, onboarding guides, help documents, and process pages. Getting started is surprisingly simple. First, create a Scribe account and install the Chrome or Edge extension. You can also use the desktop app for desktop workflows on supported Pro and Enterprise plans. Now turn on Scribe, perform the process normally, and click Stop Capture when you're finished. Scribe automatically turns those actions into a step-by-step guide. Here's where Scribe AI becomes more interesting. Instead of starting with a blank page, you can give Thump AI a prompt describing the documentation you want, for example, an employee onboarding guide or a software implementation SOP. Scribe AI can then generate the supporting context around your process. You can also ask it to improve the writing, fix grammar, make the document more professional, make it friendlier, summarize it, or expand it. There's another feature I really like. Improve this workflow with AI. Scribe analyzes your captured process and gives you an efficiency score, plus suggestions for reducing unnecessary steps, automating repetitive actions, or removing bottlenecks. After Scribe creates your guide, you can edit the steps, reorder them, change the text, and improve the screenshots. Pro users can also crop, annotate, and redact screenshots, remove Scribe branding, and export documentation in formats including PDF, Word, HTML, and Markdown. The free version is useful for testing Scribe, especially for browser-based workflows. But advanced features such as desktop capture, unlimited guide creation, advanced editing, and Scribe AI are tied to paid plans. The biggest limitation is that AI doesn't magically understand a badly documented process. You still need to capture the workflow correctly and review the generated documentation before sharing it. So is Scribe AI worth it? For SOPs, employee training, customer support, onboarding, and software tutorials, absolutely. It can save a huge amount of time compared with creating documentation manually. My personal opinion, Scribe AI is one of the most practical AI documentation tools because it doesn't just write instruction. It captures the actual workflow and turns it into something people can follow. If you enjoyed this review, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI